Hi, kindergarten. Okay, so I am now going to teach you that song, Creek Sounds. I hope you watched the video of Mrs. Bowden, and I videotaped myself doing 3 different things, right? I found some sticks and leaves and rocks outside. Now, I know the weather is not so great right now, so you may want to just wait to find those things on a walk with your family on a nice day. And for now, let's just learn to sing the song, and you can clap your hands together on the rhythm, okay? So the first part is, I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 sticks to play in time. What does that mean, to play in time? Well, what it means is to play on the beat, to play in rhythm. Because when we keep rhythm, we are keeping what's called time. We are actually keeping time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I'm going to sing and then you echo me, okay? I went down to the creek. Ready? Go. The next part is, and what did I find? What did I find? And then, I found 2 sticks to play in time. Ready? Go. I found 2 sticks to play in time. Okay? Let's try the whole thing together. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 sticks to play in time. Here we go. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 sticks to play in time. Then we sing what's called the chorus, and that's the part that always repeats, and it goes like this. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. Okay, so let's break that down. Playing the creek sounds. Try that. Playing the creek sounds. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds. Playing the creek sounds. You and me. You and me. Playing the creek sounds. 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds. 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds. You and me. Ready, go. Playing the creek sounds, you and me. Okay, let's try the chorus. Here we go. Ready, go. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds, you and me. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds, you and me. Now I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 leaves to play in time. Now when you've learned the song, you can just brush your hands together for the leaves if you don't have 2 dry leaves, okay? Here we go. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 leaves to play in time. Chorus. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds, you and me. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds, you and me. Okay, now we're gonna do the rocks. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 rocks to play in time. 1, 2, ready and go. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 rocks to play in time. Now the chorus. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds, you and me. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds, you and me. Now, the ending is playing the sticks I found at the creek. And we count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats each. Then playing the leaves I found down at the creek. Playing the leaves I found at the creek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats each. Playing the rocks. Playing the rocks I found at the creek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats each. Okay, I think you are ready to try it with my other video. We can also do it right now if you just want to do it, just you and me without the leaves and rocks and sticks. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 sticks to play in time. Chorus. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 leaves to play in time. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. I went down to the creek, and what did I find? I found 2 rocks to play in time. Chorus. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. Playing the creek sounds 1, 2, 3. Playing the creek sounds you and me. Ending. Playing the sticks I found at the creek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats each. Playing the leaves I found at the creek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats each. Playing the rocks I found at the creek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats each. Good job.